Hello everyone, my name is Nibin Joseph. In this video, I will walk you through my RPA project titled Resume Generator Bot. I will explain the idea behind it, show you the tools used, walk through the workflow step by step, and include a live demonstration of the bot in action. This project overview. This bot automates the process of creating formatted HTML resumes. It reads personal and professional data from a CSV file and fills it into a pre-designed HTML resume template. The final output is an HTML file that looks professional and can also be saved as a PDF using the browser's print to PDF option. This automation helps eliminate repetitive formatting work and produces consistent output. Core tools and activities. This resume the resume generator bot was built using UiPath Studio, which is the main RPA development platform. Key components of the workflow include read CSV activity to extract data from the input file, assign and replace, used to insert user data into the HTML template, write test file activity to save the personalized resume, additional logic such as loops and variables handling help streamline the workflow. Workflow breakdown. Let's break down the steps of the automation. The process starts by reading resume data from a file called resume.data.csv. The bot loops through each row in that file, representing one person's resume data. It reads a predefined HTML template which has placeholders like name, email, etc. The placeholders are dynamically replaced with actual values from the CSV. The final resume is saved as an .html file using the person's name. Live demonstration. In this section, I will show you the resume generator bot in action inside UiPath Studio. I will run main.saml workflow and demonstrate how it reads and data and outputs HTML resumes automatically. Let's jump to the live demo. I have opened the main.saml workflow in UiPath Studio. This file contains the logic for reading the data, filling the template, and generating the output files. Let's look at the input file first, resume.data.csv. It contains personal information like name, phone, email, summary, and up to three key skills. And here is the HTML resume template. It includes placeholders such as name, phone, summary, and so on, which will be replaced with the actual user data from the CSV. I will now run the workflow. You will notice that UiPath reads each row in the CSV, substitute the placeholders in the HTML, and generate a separate file for each person. The bot now has completed running. Let's check the output folder. As you can see, we have files like resume johnpeter.html and resume Nibin Joseph.html that were generated just now. Let me open one of them in a browser. You can see that it is neatly formatted and fully filled with data from the CSV. And if you want to save it as a PDF, you can just press Ctrl plus P in your browser and choose Save as PDF. This concludes the demonstration of the bot. Now I will talk about some challenges I faced and what I learned. Challenges encountered. While working on this automation, I ran into a few key challenges. First, maintaining the formatting of the HTML templates was tricky while replacing content dynamically. Second, ensuring the accurate mapping between CSV fields and template placeholders required careful attention. Third, I had to make sure all the file paths were valid and worked reliably across systems. Solutions and best practices. I used iterative testing to refine the template and catch formatting issues early. I followed clear naming conventions for variables, which helped in debugging and readability. For handling file paths safely, I use path.combine method in UiPath to build paths in a way that works on all operating systems. Key takeaways. This project gave me a valuable experience in building a complete RPA solution. I improved my UiPath skills, especially in working with Excel, file systems, and test automations. I also learned the importance of the template design and logic flow in RPA. Most importantly, the board shows how the automation can save time and manual effort in real-time tasks like resume creation while ensuring quality and consistency.